Yes, has been a while. Hello everyone. No, I'm not dead. No, I haven't destroyed the bike. One of my other friends, though, did cook his motor. And he's trying to convince me to let go of mine because I just ordered an F-Spec KO motor. And he's said he's going to trade me his other stock battery because he doesn't need it anymore because he's got a 72, but he's running 15 kilowatts on his Bach 8. He is probably going to cook the motor again. We'll see. Either way, I might end up with another battery from the deal. Something to hang on to and use or sell, one or the other. Since last time, did do a chain conversion. Goodbye belt. Still have that hanging in the garage. Prickly strengthened suspension bolts. The whole set. Of course, my finger's right over it, right there. Got this somewhat dialed in. Still needs some more tuning. Some axle blocks that aren't just one-way pushes. Yes, again, prickly. Done some brake bleeds. New pads in there. Tightest brake setup I've ever had. But yeah, the old stock linkage, you could actually shimmy your bar, like shake your swing arm, probably a 1/4 inch, 1/2 inch, and you would see it shake on that spot. These two would stay where they were, but this one would actually just shake back and forth within the bushing. So that one was dead, just waiting to break. What else have I done? There it is, that nasty bugger. So it is nowhere near as ugly as it was. Still ugly, still getting replaced at some point, because I still want to put a Meteor 18 on the back. Get rid of this 19 setup. And the 21 on the front, because I'm still on 19 there as well. I finally found a source within Canada that's under like $500 a rim, instead of, $400 US plus import plus, conversion. End up being $1,000 rim, damn near, plus shipping. Coming along. Can't wait to get that F-Spec. I tried to convince my buddy to let me borrow his 72 volt while he's down and out, because he's got no motor in his, but turns out he's, running 15 kilowatts, so he cooked his wiring as well. It's just welded together right now. So his battery is now part of his bike. I don't think I did anything on the front end of the bike. No. But she's nice and clear. I think my fronts are due for bleeding. Yeah. Great time to enjoy the weather up here. Place I drove out to yesterday for work was 38 Celsius, 100 degrees Fahrenheit. And there was a out of control forest fire about 8 miles away from the work site. So, joys. Everyone thinks the north is just cold. No, we get both ends. Either way, everybody, stay safe, have a good day, have fun. Don't break yourself.